student, how are you? So in the previous class we have explained the chapter 1. Okay, so today I am going to start with chapter 2. This chapter name is hardware and software. So before starting it, let us know what is a hardware and what is a software. Okay, so hardware means the devices what we can see in a computer like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU box, speaker, printer. These all device. That means all electronic device what we can touch or what we can see. This kind of devices are called hardware. That means hardware device we can touch and these are visible. Okay. So this kind of devices are called hardware. And what is a software? Software is a invisible device, not a device, application. What we have to install into a computer before starting it. Suppose I have brought a new computer and now I have to start it. So what I will do? First I will install software there. So this software we can get the software in a disk or in a pen drive, or we can download also. So this software help us to run a computer. Okay. So here you can see if you go through your book, you try to do it yourself. The first exercise here you can see color the cloud blue for the things that you can touch. That what things we can touch. You have to color here. Here are TV set, music player, keyboard, cartoon show, CD, video, and camera. So from this item, what we can touch, you will do color there blue, and what you cannot touch, you will color there as a green. Okay, that means what we can touch, these are hardware, and what we cannot touch, these are software. Okay, so again look at page number 8. This is your page number 8. Okay, so a computer has 4 main parts. So whenever we see a computer, we can see there are main 4 parts: CPU box, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Now I will show you in lab also. So these devices all are called hardware device, and to run a computer, that a application is there. What we will install in a computer to run or process any data or calculate any mathematical operation or any other tasks, whatever related to our education or any other activities. These all applications are called software. Okay. So there is a process in a computer that is called IPO cycle. That means input, processing, output. So computer work through this process. First is input. Then by this there are some devices whom we call input. So you can see here hardware and software. This is a chapter name and type of hardware. So there are 3 kind of hardware devices in a computer. Number 1 is what? Input devices. Input device means we will send information into a computer through these devices. That means our information or any data we send through these devices. These devices are called input device. So here I can give you example: keyboard, mouse, microphone, again microphone and scanner. These are the input device. That means from this device we send data or information to a computer. Now number 2 you can see here processing device. So processing device means what? The CPU box. CPU box is called the processing device. And number 3 is output device. So what the CPU device is, what this CPU devices do, that this CPU device work as a main brain of a computer. See, in our body we have a brain in our head, inside our head. Okay, so this brain control whole our activity. In the same way, the CPU box also help the computer to control by this CPU chip. Okay, inside there is a chip, and this chip is the main part of the CPU box, and this chip control all the activity of a computer. Now see number 3 is output device. So output device means what? after giving information or data to a computer, what a result we get. Suppose I have to see a video in a computer where I can see in a monitor. So this monitor is a output device. That means this is we can get this result or the output in this output device. Okay, like monitor, printer, again projector. They are this output device. Now I will show in the lab about these devices. Just wait. Okay, student. Now here I am in the lab. So you can see here the CPU box, monitor, keyboard, mouse, UPS. Now these all are what? Hardware device that I can touch. See, I can touch the device. That means these are the hardware device. Now, in the hardware device, these devices are in three types. That means there are three kind of hardware device. I already told. Number one is input device. In the input device, you can see this is the keyboard. This is the input device. We can send information or data through this keyboard again by this mouse. This mouse also is an input device. Now processing device is what? This CPU box. It is a processing device and it helps to process our whole data in the form of this CPU or main this chip, and this main chip inside there is a chip, and this chip helps to process our data, and later we can see the result of our data in the monitor screen. Here we can see, that's why it is called output device. Okay, so this monitor is the output device. One more output device is what? Speaker. Speaker also output device. Why? Because we can listen song from this speaker. But microphone is a, see, you can see here microphone. This microphone is a input device. Okay, so we use microphone to record our voice. Now I am using this microphone to record my voice, and you are listening my voice through your mobile speaker or headphone. Okay, now see, this is the UPS, and this UPS help the computer to supply electricity. Okay, so dear student, so till here I told you about hardware, and you now come to you just look at your page number 9, and you can see here checkpoint, fill in the blank. Now I will tell you what will be the answer here. Fill in the blank. Number one, there are four options in the blank. So first will be the keyboard, monitor, mouse, and the CPU are the four part of a computer. So I just already show you here again. Number two, hardware in it. What a hardware in it? A hardware in it software to run a computer. So to work. So hardware need software to work. Again, number three is we cannot touch software. We can only touch the hardware device. Software device we cannot. Software is not a device. Software we cannot touch. Software is a application. Okay. So in the class, I will explain only. I have explained only this hardware device. In the next class, I will go through software device, and I will show you how what is a software and what it works. I will tell you in the next class. So till then, take care of your health. Have a nice day. Thank you.